Well, I got all them moved. About a half hour, 45 minutes, I think. Not bad for an old man. They were right over here. Got all these little saplings growing up cut. Now I gotta drag all this shit over there to that pile yet. That one's a little on the big side. Got all that cedar there. Gotta drag them up so I can cut that up for firewood. Oh, looks like another one there I gotta cut. That pile's gotta go over to that pile. Holy fuck. Oh. I need to get all these stumps out so I can get and start picking up all these fucking rocks. Whew. I think it's time for a break. Turn the air conditioner on. Oh, shit. Oh. Fucking hot. I gotta get my braces cut yet. Hey, mama goats.